sure this serial number is logged. It's 45B. Yeah.
Confirmed. Torque reads green across all mounting points.
The welding parameters on batch 4B look solid. We can proceed with the wrap.
Agreed. Ensure the polymer liner is seated correctly first.
The foam seating looks correct on this section.
And the shell panels match the CAD perfectly. We are ready for assembly.
The surface temperature is holding steady at 35 degrees.
Good. The tolerance levels look acceptable on this batch.
We're inspecting the baffle alignment now. This geometry is critical for preventing fuel sloshing during high G maneuvers. Make sure that corner is fully seated. It's flush now. The pressure on the main cylinder is spiking faster than expected.
Check the thermal readings on the aft section. We're reaching critical levels.
The resonant frequency is spiking sharply at 400 hertz.
The mounts are holding, but the internal baffling shows stress.
Look at the fluctuation on gauge 3.
I see it, but the structural integrity is holding steady. We can continue the ramp up.
The readings on the Z-axis are spiking higher than expected at this frequency.
I see that. We are exceeding the projected resonance threshold.
Okay, ease now. Does that align?
Looks good. Torque sequence initiated. 3 clicks.
The connections look secure here. The braided lines are clear.
Okay, I'm marking section 3 as complete. What about the torque specs on the main bolts?
Just finished the final one. Good to go.
Fuel pressure stable at 3 bar. No leaks detected.
Systems check complete. All clear for fueling. Data matches schematic. Pressure is stable.
All certifications are present here. Fuel cell and fire suppression checked. We are compliant.
Fuel system secure. Copy that.
Harness tight, check, ready to roll.
The pressure differential spiked at 400 hertz right here.
The carbon weave is holding stable according to the thermal telemetry. We can continue the cycle.
The weld quality data on section 4 meets the stress requirements.
Agreed. The structural integrity is sound.
The manifest matches the crate number. Is the climate control active?
Yes, systems are green. I'll initiate the sign-off sequence now.
Easy lift on 3.
Clear. Set it down right here.
Torque sequence complete on the main brackets.
Reading confirmed. Logging the install now.
Fuel system locked.
Wheels secured. All clear, driver.
Confirmed.
Clear on the thermal. Fuel pressure holding. Right rear, good. All clear. Ready to go.
The pressure drop here correlates with the structural harmonics we saw on lap 40. Confirmed. The fuel cell integrity remains uncompromised.